Hello and welcome to this video about the best smart locks in 2017, brought to you by mysmarterhome.com. Hello and welcome to my guide to the best smart locks. This guide has several sections. Section 1 is definitions, Section 2 is all about benefits, Section 3 is about features, Section 4 is about the 3 types of different smart locks, and Section 5 is about the 10 smart locks that I'm comparing. Okay, let's move on to the definition. A smart lock is a lock that is powered by batteries and it allows you to open a door without using a key. The smartest smart locks integrate with apps on our smartphones that provide a user with lots of information about a lock, such as who is using it and when they are using it. The best smart locks provide additional functions such as the ability to remotely unlock these locks even when we're not at home. Smart locks provide you with much more choice and flexibility than a traditional lock. I guess that one of the most attractive features is that they offer us the ability to open our front doors without using a key. Continuing with the benefits of a smart lock, this is great because it means that it's one less thing for us to remember to take with us when we leave the house. The very best smart locks have a Grade 1 security rating from ANSI, the American National Standards Institute, which is the best rating for any lock, traditional or otherwise, to have. These ratings give us the confidence when we are buying smart locks that they will keep our homes nice and secure. Most smart locks have an anti-tamper alarm so that if anyone is trying to force entry into our homes, not only will an alarm sound, but you will also be notified via the app on your phone. Smart locks notify you via an app when someone uses the lock. Can you imagine how lovely it would be to be told via a simple message that your children are home safely, instead of having to rely on them texting you? Or the peace of mind and control this would give you if a smart lock was installed in the home of your elderly parents who might live a long way away. Instead of worrying about who's visiting your parents and when, you would have that information at the tips of your fingers. And just like with your kids, this information would be available to you without having to communicate directly with your parents. I also think that we should be upgrading our traditional locks for smart locks because technology is improving most other areas of our lives, and so why not reap the benefits that smart locks provide? In particular, those smart locks that are compatible with other smart devices in our homes, allowing, for example, lights to come on and the heating to turn on when our smart lock is activated, which all in all can make our lives simpler. Okay, let's move on to the features of the ideal or perfect smart lock. So the first feature is security rating. Your perfect smart lock should have an ANSI rating. ANSI stands for the American National Standards Institute and is an organisation that sets quality standards for a wide variety of products in the USA. There are 3 grades of lock security: Grade 1, Grade 2 and Grade 3. Grade 1 is the highest standard for locks on residential doors. The second feature is emergency backup. Since all smart locks are battery powered, they all need an emergency backup in those situations when the battery runs out or for when there is a power failure for other reasons. Most smart locks come with a traditional or mechanical key that can be used in these situations. The third feature is home automation. Smart locks are part of a growing trend of smart devices that can be bought for our homes and that provide us with more control and better security. These devices work best when they can connect to one another, and the very best smart locks allow us to do this easily. The fourth feature is auto-locking. Auto-locking enables a smart lock to lock automatically when the door has closed. In the very best smart locks, this feature can be turned on or off, and the length of time before the lock auto-locks can also be adjusted. The fifth feature is easy install. Most smart locks just need a Phillips screwdriver to install them. Also, with some smart locks you can use your existing deadbolt, which means it will make your installation even simpler because there's less to change. The sixth feature is an anti-tamper alarm. The best smart locks include an alarm that will notify the owner when the lock is being tampered with, when an unknown person is trying to force entry into your home. The seventh feature is weatherproofing. Most smart locks are going to be located on the outside of your front door. This means that they need to be able to function in very hot weather, very cold weather, and in the rain. The eighth feature is different colours. Smart locks need to come in different colours so that we can choose a colour that best suits our home. The ninth feature is remote unlocking. The best smart locks can be controlled via a smartphone app from anywhere in the world. This includes being able to remotely unlock them. And the 10th ideal feature is lifetime warranty. When you buy a smart lock, you need to know that if you install it correctly and maintain it, that it will last. Some of the best smart locks provide a limited lifetime warranty to give you that peace of mind. Okay, now let's move on to the types of smart lock which I'm going to compare. There are three main types of smart lock which relate to how the locks are opened. Firstly, those that open via a smartphone. Secondly, those that are open via a number pad. And thirdly, those that open via fingerprint recognition. Smart locks that allow you to open via a smartphone have free apps that can be downloaded. All of these locks have an app for an iPhone and some Android phones. Once the app is downloaded, the lock and phone connect to each other via Bluetooth, a wireless technology, meaning that the lock can be opened hands-free. There are three locks in my comparison that can be opened by smartphones: the QuickSet Kivo, the August, and the Danalock. So in terms of some of these features, they all can be opened via Android and iOS apps for smartphones, and they all come with mechanical keys. The QuickSet Kivo and the Danalock also can come with a fob or tag to open it, whereas the August cannot be opened with a fob or a tag. The QuickSet Kivo is not compatible with any home automation systems. The August is compatible with home automation systems, as is the Danalock. All three of these locks have the auto lock function, and the August and the Danalock can be remotely unlocked, whereas a QuickSet Kivo can't. The QuickSet Kivo, all three of these locks come with the easy install options. None of them come with any alarms, unfortunately, and all three of them are weatherproof. Finally, all three of these locks come with different colours. The QuickSet Kivo was launched in August 2016, the August was launched in October 2015, and the Danalock version 2 was launched in January 2016. So the oldest of these smart locks is the August. Now let's move on to number pad. Locks which feature a number pad require you to type in a PIN, personal identification number, that can be anywhere from 4 to 8 digits long. These locks allow several pins to be stored and used, enough so that every person who uses the door has their own code. There are 4 smart locks in my comparison that can be opened using number pads: the Samsung Ezon, the Slage Connect, the Yale YRD240, and the Ultralock UL3. So let's have a look at some of the features for these smart locks. So the Samsung, the PIN code can be anywhere between 4 to 12 digits. For the Connect, it's anywhere between 4 and 8 digits. For the Yale, it's 4 to 8 digits, and the Ultralock, your PIN, can also be anywhere between 4 to 8 digits long. The Samsung hasn't got an ANSI rating. The Slarge Connect has got an ANSI rating, as has the Yale, but the Ultralock hasn't got an ANSI rating. The Samsung doesn't come with a mechanical key, but the Connect does come with a mechanical key. The Yale doesn't come with a mechanical key, but the Ultralock does come with a mechanical key. Thinking about looking at fobs or tags, the Samsung comes with a fob or a tag. The Connect doesn't come with one. The Yale doesn't come with one, and the Ultralock doesn't come with one. Looking at some other features of these locks, the Samsung Ease On is not compatible with any home automation systems. The Connect is compatible with home automation systems. The Yale is compatible with home automation systems, but the UL3 is not compatible with any home automation systems. All 4 of these number pad locks also have the auto lock feature. And then thinking about remote unlocking, the Samsung Ease On doesn't. You can't remote unlock it. The Connect, you can remote unlock it. The Yale, you can remote unlock it, but the Ultralock UL3 can't be remotely unlocked. Looking at yet more features of these locks, all of these 4 number pad locks come with an easy install system. 3 of them, thinking about alarms, 3 of them have alarms on them. That's the Yale, the Connect and the Samsung. The Ultralock UL3 doesn't have an alarm, and all 4 of these locks are weatherproof. And some of the final features for these number pad locks is that thinking about different colours, the Samsung only comes in black, the Connect does come in different colours, the Yale comes in different colours, and the UL3 only comes in silver. Looking at when they were launched, then the newest lock is the UL3, that's August 2016, and then the Yale was launched in August 2013, the Connect was launched in May 2013, and the Samsung was launched way back in October 2012. Okay, the final category of smart lock are fingerprint smart locks. This is a new and developing technology. Although there are numerous ways to make locks that use smartphones or pins safe and secure, the use of a person's fingerprints is even more secure. This is because everyone has a unique fingerprint, which makes this type of identification much harder to hack or to copy. Okay, looking at the three smart locks that use fingerprints are the Ultralock UL3, the Aardwolf A20 and the Ultralock BT. Thinking about smartphones, the only one of these that can be opened with your smartphone is the Ultralock BT. The Aardwolf and the Ultralock UL3 can't be opened with your smartphone as well. All 3 of these fingerprint locks come with mechanical keys, and none of these fingerprint locks come with fobs or tags. All of them, of course, can be opened using your fingerprint, but none of them are compatible with any home automation systems. All three of them, however, can have the auto lock feature, and none of them can be remotely unlocked. Looking at more features, easy install. All three of the locks can have an easy install feature. None of these locks have alarms on them, and the UltraLock UL3 and the UltraLock BT are weatherproof, but the Aardwolf A20 isn't. And the final page of features, the UltraLock BT comes in different colours, the Aardwolf only comes in the silver colour, and the UltraLock UL3 only comes in the silver colour as well. Looking at when each of these devices was launched, the UL3 was launched in August 2016, and the BT, the UltraLock BT, was also launched in August 2016, and the Aardwolf A20 was launched in March 2016. So this has been a video looking at the best smart locks, and I've looked at the Kwikset Kivo, the August, the Danalock version 2, Samsung, the Slage Connect, the Yale, the UltraLock UL3, the Aardwolf A20, and the UltraLock the UltraLock BT, that should be. So all in all, there are 9 smart locks I've looked at, and the question is, having seen all of the features that I've compared, which smart lock will you choose? Thank you for watching.